Awesome morning. Okay, so this morning I am about to make me a ginger and lemon shot. I'm adding a new ingredient such as the little orange today, but my regular ingredients consist of the cayenne pepper, the ground turmeric, and the honey and water. That's it. That's all you need. Put it in a blender. Let's go to work. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I added all my ingredients in the blender. Now I'm gonna add my filtered water in here. I'm about to sneeze because this pepper is about to hit my nose, but I'm gonna add probably like 2 cups or so of water. Just fill it up like that. Bam. All right, now blend it and do it with all the skin on. You want to make sure you do not cut the skin off of any other fruit or the ginger. Just blend everything as is once you rinse it off. Now we're gonna drain it so that we can get our juice out of this. Now I am sure there is an easier way to do this, but I'm just gonna pour this pulp right into my little strainer here. And you may want to make sure you hold down your top so that the top doesn't come off because the ingredients inside is like a little heavy. I'm just gonna pour all the ingredients into this drain and let the juice drain out into the cup. Make sure you hold on to this top. I'm gonna show y'all my bloopers. Something else that I do is once I get all the ingredients in a strainer, I will take this spoon and then I will just press so that I'm getting all the juice from the pulp. So now that I have everything drained, I'm just gonna fill up a recycled water bottle.